welcome back to the channel. So I'm on my way to work, but I wanted to talk to y'all and let y'all know how y'all can start making money on YouTube. And then I'm going to be sharing with y'all how much was my first YouTube check and all that good stuff. So yeah, if y'all are interested in seeing this video, then of course stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you are new, hit that subscribe button and join the Pretty Girl crew. And let's hop right up into this video. And before we do that, don't forget to check out my business Instagram. I will have all the information on the screen, and I will have also the information down in the description box. So make sure y'all check out my business Instagram, make sure y'all follow me and all that good stuff. And then also don't forget to check out my website. I will also have the information on the screen, and then I will have the link to my website down in the description box. So make sure y'all check it out and shop with me. If you do not know, I'm the owner and CEO of Pretty Girls Extension. So yes, make sure y'all shop my website, all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's hop right up into this video. Okay, y'all, so how you can get paid on YouTube is simply, first of all, you need to start a YouTube channel. Like you can't have a YouTube channel if you don't, you can't get paid on YouTube if you don't start your channel. So of course that's number one, starting your YouTube channel, getting yourself out there. And to start getting paid, once you've started your channel and all that good stuff, you would need 1,000 subscribers. Now some people, it comes easy for them, like they get subscribers like that. But some people like me, it took me a while. It took me 1.5 years to get to 1,000 subscribers. So it may take a while for some people. So let me just tell y'all, so you need the 1,000 followers, and then you also need 4,000 watch hours. Now that may seem like a lot, but this is really not a lot at all. And if my car keeps making a noise, my steering wheel is shaking. That's why I'm trying to stay under the amount of miles that it gets to when it starts shaking. So what was I saying? So yeah, like getting 4,000 watch hours is really not, it's not hard at all like it seemed like it. But I'm gonna start telling y'all like my process. Okay, y'all, so like I was saying, it took me a year and a half to hit 1,000 subscribers. So the day I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'll post it on the screen so y'all can see it as well, so y'all can know that all this is real, that I'm telling y'all. I don't give false information. So I reached 1,000 subscribers on May the 19th. And shortly after that, which was June the 3rd, is when I got monetized, when they sent me the email saying that I was accepted into YouTube Partner Program, which YouTube Partner Program is, of course, Google AdSense. So I just had to go on Google AdSense. Being that I had already had my Google AdSense account, all I had to do was follow the instructions on setting up going through the process and setting it up so that I can have ads on my videos. You wanna go ahead and get a Google AdSense account ahead of time. Like if you know, like you're at 500 followers, because it didn't take me nothing. Once I got to 500 followers, it literally took me like 2 months, and I was at 1,000 subscribers. So I would say go ahead and create your Google AdSense account right when you get to 500 followers, so that way like you can already don't did that step. So once you do that, once you get monetized, they're gonna send you a little envelope, and I don't know if I have mine in here. I'm pretty sure I do. Let me see if I can find it. But that's the thing that here it is right here. So this is right here, and you know that's the thing that everyone is always holding up in their thumbnail. You know, they send you like this in the mail to verify your address, to make sure that it's you and that that's your correct address. So you would just have to go to your Google AdSense and enter that PIN. Once you have done that step, you're still not able to get paid. So like let me see. I wrote all my notes down, y'all. So June, I got monetized June the 3rd. So my first month, which June, I got $52.21. That's how much I made that month. And you don't get paid right away on YouTube. You have to meet your $100 threshold. I'm going to post screenshots on the screen of my June, what I made in June. So I made $52.21. So since I didn't meet my $100 threshold, I had to my money rolled over the $52.21. It rolled over until July. So July rolled around and I made $43.03. So still I didn't meet the $100 threshold. So it was like a total from the $52 from June and then the $43 from July. It was a total of $95 and some change. So I was right there, y'all, like literally right there. Like I needed $5 more. Well, not even $5 more. Like I needed $4 and some change, and I would have been at $100. But they don't pay you. You have to have that $100 or you're not getting paid. Even if you have $99 and some change, you're still not going to get it unless you have 100. So it rolled over, and so in August I made $48.14. So I didn't get paid August because I didn't make any money until the end of the month. So I ended up getting my first YouTube check in September, which September the 23rd, I believe, is when I got my check. I was supposed to get it on the 22nd, but I was having an issue with my bank account, so I had to change an account and then, put it on there because my other banking account, I had closed it. So that's another thing, like you can't put your bank information on there until you get you meet that $100 threshold. So yeah, I was having issues with my bank or whatever, so I wasn't able to get my check until actually yesterday was the 23rd. So and my first YouTube check was, drum roll please, my first YouTube check was $143.38. That was the amount of my first YouTube check, and no, that's not a lot, but it's something. And I'm sorry y'all about my steering wheel shaking, but no, that's not a lot, but it all depends on you and your consistency. I haven't been as consistent as I normally would. And the good thing about YouTube is you know how much you're going to make before you even get paid. So it's up to you. If you want to set a goal on how much you want to get paid a month, then you can do it. You just got to be consistent and post the right videos. I say post how to do videos are mainly popular, hair videos, entrepreneur life videos, medical assistant, LPN, RN, like all those videos are very, very popular. If you don't know what popular videos are here on YouTube, just Google, and there are some YouTubers that will give you a list of videos that you can do that are very popular, that's going to get you views and all that good stuff. So just look up that type of stuff. But I say that YouTube, making money on YouTube is easy money, because all you're doing is doing something that you love, like, you know what I'm saying, just telling people how to do things and all that good stuff. So it's very, very easy to make money here on YouTube. I do plan on making more money. I hate when my car do that. I do plan on making more money in the future, so I'm going to be coming with it. I have a lot of videos that I have lined up for y'all. Of course, this video, then this weekend I have a small business promo video that I'm going to be doing. I actually just got 2 packages in the mail today. So I'm going to be doing that video Saturday, and then I'm also I'm going to be bringing another packaging video. So I got videos lined up. I just have to upload them and finish them. So yeah, that's basically how you get paid on YouTube. And that was my first check, $143, which, like I said, is not a lot, but it's something. And like I said, you know how much money you're going to be making, so you can always look at that and figure out, okay, I need to post more videos, and it'll tell you the pay period and all that stuff, so you'll know what you need to do before that day and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Just like I told y'all, take the stuff that I tell y'all into consideration. If you're at 500 followers, then you may want to go ahead and create your Google AdSense account, so that way once you reach 1,000 followers, you can already have that done. And then all you'll need is your watch hours. And on Google AdSense, it'll let you know. I'm sorry, y'all. On Google AdSense, it'll let you know, if you have your 1,000 subscribers, and it'll also let you know what your watch hours are. And then you'll also need to download the app called YouTube Studio. It'll tell you on there as well, and that's where you'll need to be able to put ads on your videos and all that stuff. So make sure y'all download that as well. I've been having that from the start, ever since I created my YouTube channel, because it just tells you so much stuff about your channel and all that good stuff, your most popular video, and all that good stuff. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you need to post and all that good stuff. So make sure y'all download YouTube Studio, and that y'all, if you're at 500 followers, make sure you go ahead and set up your Google AdSense account. If you need me to assist y'all and make a video and go in depth and detail and show y'all how to do that, then I sure will do that. Just comment down below and let me know, and y'all know I don't mind doing it. And yes, I'm almost at work, so I'm going to end this video here. So if y'all have any additional questions, then just make sure y'all comment them down below. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you are new, hit that subscribe button and join the Pretty Girl crew. Yes, ma'am. And yes, y'all, start y'all channel, okay? YouTube is super easy. It's nothing to it, getting y'all watch hours, all that stuff is super easy. It's nothing to it. I'm gonna post is you get 4,000 watch hours, but the most I've had is it's 60,000. I will put some screenshots of my watch hours and stuff like that in the video. But yeah, I will see y'all all in my next video. I hope this video was helpful. I love y'all all so much, and I will see y'all all in my next video. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.